Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to use different CSS properties to change the appearance of an HTML text element. There are many CSS properties we can use to change the appearance of an HTML text element. For example, the color property, the font family, the font style, and more. Here I have the color property. To write a CSS property, first write the name of the property you want to use and follow it with a colon without any spaces. Finally, write the argument you want and end your line with a semicolon. The color property sets the font color of a text to whatever you want. If we write this, we will see a title text with a red font color. The next property is the font dash family property. It decided what the font type is. Our first option is impact, but it is recommended to set a backup if your website fails to use your first choice. Just separate them by a comma. If we write this, we will see our font type on the website. The next property is the font style property. We can use it to set a style. I will choose italic. If we write this, our website will show our text in italic. The next property is the font weight property. We can use it to make a text plain or bold. After running our code, we will see the text in bold. The next property is the font decoration property. We can use this to underline our text. If we run this, our text will be underlined. The next property is the font size property. We can use it to set the size of a text, but when writing the size, make sure to end with px, short for pixels. Also, no quotations necessary. Our code will make our text ginormous on our website. That's it for today. Like and subscribe, and as always, that's for watching.